First video said Tesla Cybertruck absurdly large windshield wiper in action. You got the honker in action?
Finally get to see it.
So my dream come true.
Yeah.
Or it could be a nightmare, depending. Because I'm scared of that honker right there. I told you, man. It's the one wild card for me. Because they fixed the wheels. I got the warthogs. And I don't mind the mirrors. And I like the glass roof.
Uh-huh.
So the honker is the last consideration here. And I know they had to put it on and you got to have a wiper, but it is such a big truck to have one wiper. Oh, we're about to get like a spray and wipe in the video. He looks up. He's like, should I do it? The drone's right there. And I know you love this dynamic. This is your favorite thing.
I don't like it. I express my opinions on these drones flying way too close to these vehicles. Yeah, I don't like it at all. It's really dangerous.
I guess what I meant when I said that is you love these type of clips from inside.
Yeah, I do like the clips.
Yeah, so the drone gets the clips, right?
So there it is. It comes from the bottom left.
Can we see that again? Can you? All right. So here we go. Boom! It's huge. That thing could kill a small creature.
Yeah, you can double it as a weapon.
That's got to be one hell of a motor on that baby.
A lot of dependence on this one, eh? I wonder how much they cost.
Complete dependence. You know what I'm envisioning? That thing getting frozen down in the winter.
Oh, boy.
And hacking it out of there.
Yeah.
Got to be one hell of a motor on there. Yeah.
Well,
if it breaks, what do you think it costs to replace that baby?
Oh, man. How heavy is it?
$1,000? 1,000? More?
Yeah.
I don't know.
But it's really like thick. It's like thicker than a hockey stick, right?
It looks like, yeah.
It looks pretty honker.
Yes, yeah. That's why we've called it the honker.
Yeah.
Exactly how you would describe it.
Yeah. Okay, well.
It's definitely too big to be called a wiper. It's more than a wiper.
Honker is appropriate.
That's right.
Yeah.
Maybe they'll adopt it. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.